Hello. In this session, we are going to look at IFRS 11, Joint Arrangements, and IAS 27, Separate Financial Statements. A joint arrangement is an arrangement of which two or more parties have joint control. IFRS 11 sets out joint control as the contractually agreed sharing of control of an arrangement, which exists only when decisions about the relevant activities require the unanimous consent of the parties who are sharing control. There are two types of arrangement in which there is joint control as set out by the standard: a joint venture and a joint operation, and it sets out the accounting treatment of each of these. A joint venture is a joint arrangement whereby the parties that have joint control of the arrangement have rights to the net assets of the arrangement. Joint ventures are accounted for using the equity method of accounting in accordance with IAS 28, Investments in Associates and Joint Ventures. Therefore, a joint venture is accounted for in the same way as an associate. A joint operation is a joint arrangement where the parties that have joint control of the arrangement have rights to the assets and obligations for the liabilities relating to that arrangement. Therefore, a joint operation will exist where the arrangement is not structured through a separate vehicle. A joint operator would account for its share of the assets, liabilities, revenues, and expenses relating to its involvement with the joint operation in accordance with those relevant IFRSs. Under IFRS 11, a joint arrangement will either be a joint venture or a joint operation. IAS 27, Separate Financial Statements, outlines how parent companies should account for their investments in subsidiaries, associates, and joint ventures within the individual financial statements of the parent. When an entity prepares separate financial statements, investments in subsidiaries, associates, and jointly controlled entities are accounted for either at cost, in accordance with IFRS 9 financial instruments, or using the equity method as described in IAS 28, Investments in Associates.